Subscribe to us for more updates. Here's how to make an Eid Mubarak video on InShot. Download the latest version of InShot via the link in the description. Import your videos into the InShot app. Next, we'll add the new Eid Mubarak material as an intro for the video. Select Materials. Select the Eid Mubarak material. Tap PIP. Select Green Screen. Select the Eid Mubarak material. Tap Autofill. Then tap Cutout. Tap Chroma. Adjust the strength accordingly. Next, tap Text. Tap Text again. Type in your text. Adjust the size and position if you need to. Tap the transition icon. Choose the transition you prefer. And do this for each clip in your video. Here's the final results.